Alright, today's video is changing the engine oil on our 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Here's what we're going to use. We're going to use our 1540 synthetic engine oil we got from Costco. We're going to use our Diesel engine oil filter. Also, there's going to be another video or two. I got a transfer case lubricant change going on here, which is the easiest fluid to change. It's got a drain plug and a fill plug. You just drain it out the bottom and fill it to the top of the fill and replace it with this stuff here we got from Amazon, but they also carry the Mopar stuff. And then we're going to do a transmission service, and I got the Docs kit for that. We're going to try this out. Claims it has everything you need. It's got the internal filter. It's got a nice high quality rubber gasket for the pan, and it has the other internal filter as well. Appears the box is empty now. So there we go. We're going to do that today. We're going to make a couple videos today on this stuff. So if you guys want to save like $300 or $400, you can do it yourself in your own garage. All right, first step is get your drain pan for your oil. Make sure that you have enough. This says it's 16 quart. Now, this takes 3 gallons. 3 times 4 is 12 quarts. So this should just be enough to hold all the oil inside here. Yes, it takes 3 gallons of oil for the 6.6. All right, once you're under here, I just broke that loose. I'm gonna go get a glove because it's gonna get nasty. All right, trying to get the camera dirty here. There's a lot of oil in here, it gets messy. There we go. All right, guys, this is by far the hardest step of changing the oil on the 6.7 engine. The oil filter is right there, which is in the passenger side wheel well. You'll come in, you'll see it right there. Sometimes guys can get a plastic bag around this thing. They have a factory drip pan underneath it. So if you put your drip pan underneath that spot, you'll catch most of the oil. You'll have a little drops in the bottom of that pan though. I'm going to try it with a bag, but it just makes more of a mess. So we'll take this out and then we'll get the new one in. All right, I've got my bag. I've got my oil filter drip pan in place. See if you can see that. See that little oval there between the frame and the torsion bar there? That is the drip pan for the oil, the factory drip pan for the oil filter area. Not too bad. Probably the easiest I've ever done it. it's in, but you're going to struggle with it. It's going to take a couple minutes. All right, the oil's drained, the filter is swapped. We're going to take our plug and we're going to clean this off, put it back in. Take our breaker bar, 3/8 drive. Snug it up. That's all you need to do. All right, we're gonna add our oil. First thing I do is I take out the dipstick all the way, wipe it off. I'm just gonna keep it out and I'm gonna start filling this thing up. It's gonna take 3 gallons, so it's gonna take a couple minutes. Change over. All right, now that we've got all our oil in, we're going to put our dipstick in and see where we're at. Some of it's going to be making its way to the bottom of the oil pan at this point, so it might not be accurate. And you've got to account for the oil filter. So it probably will say it's high, most likely. And then once you cycle it through, run it through the oil filter, it should be good. Let's see what she says. It's right in spec. Might be a little low, actually. But I think that's good. 3 gallons is what the manufacturer says. That's what we got in it. So after we fire it up and get the oil ran through the system, we'll check it one more time and be sure. But that's all there is to changing your oil in your 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. It probably took me about 20 minutes total. I will say that if you do this yourself, you will save the $150 that the shop will charge you for the first hour. And if you buy the Kirkland's oil or Sam's Club mobile oil when that's on sale, you're going to save almost $100 on just buying your oil. So, I mean, it's worth it to do it at home if you have the ability to. And it doesn't take very long. You just have to get after it and tell yourself you can do it. And I showed you how to do it right there, so maybe that'll help make it a little easier. If this helped you, give you a thumbs up. Thanks.